Hi, this is Stuart from DX3Webs, and in this video we will be looking at Plesk WordPress Toolkit. Plesk is DX3Webs' go-to choice for web-based control panel for server management. For those who aren't aware, Plesk offers a range of features which enable the user to better operate, manage and monitor their sites. Webmasters can set up FTP accounts, add domains and create MySQL. One such powerful tool available for Plesk is the Plesk WordPress Toolkit. The toolkit is fully supported in DX3Webs VPS and dedicated servers. So let's now have a look at Plesk and the WordPress Toolkit. The WordPress Toolkit is used for automating the installation of a WordPress account from within Plesk. The toolkit makes the experience quick, easy and reliable. We can now move on to see just how easy the install process is. Once we are logged into Plesk, the user simply clicks on the WordPress button on the left-hand menu. Here you can see the Plesk WordPress Toolkit screen. You have the choice to either scan for an existing site or install a new one. Assume you are looking to install a new site, we simply click Install WordPress. The next screen offers a range of fields to complete. The user would simply fill out each field starting with your URL and the installation path. Enter your chosen name, password and email. Following this, you would enter your database details, including the name of the database and the username, etc. The final drop-down menu includes the options for automatic updates for WordPress, plugins and themes. General best practice is to keep everything up to date. However, the one thing to be careful of is ensuring that any third-party apps you may have installed are compatible with new updates of WordPress. There are occurrences when a third-party app may not yet have released an update that works with the most recent version of WordPress. In summary, it really is that simple and quick to install an instance of WordPress on your VPS or dedicated server. Plesk WordPress Toolkit offers a fantastic, intuitive tool, easy to use, no coding, all via simple fields and drop-down menus. Please note DX3Webs customers on shared hosting, due to the limitations of one database per install, WordPress Toolkit will not work. We can, however, offer a WordPress install including additional database at only £2.50 per month. And that is all for this video. This has been Stuart for DX3Webs. I hope somebody's found this useful, and we will see you in the next video.